Okay, quick question before we get started. Can you see that tiny discrete microphone that's attached to me where you're hearing this really great audio from? This is one of the reasons why I'm really impressed with this microphone and I can't wait to show you how it works. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so this is the Hollyland Lark M2S, and I have to say, Hollyland have done it again. This is an amazing sounding wireless microphone system. This is the combo edition. They do come in 3 variations. They also have a mini combo and a USB-C version. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the design. Okay, with the combo version in the box, you get yourself this nice carry pouch, 2 wind sleeves, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You also have a USB-C to lightning cable if you want to connect it to an older iPhone. Then you also have a TRS camera cable as well. So this is the design. So you've got the USB-C connector. If you just want this, then you can also buy the USB-C version of the Lark M2S. This is very great because it's just a quick plug and play for your Android phone or even for your iPhone 15 or 16. And it does connect to both transmitters. It does label them TX1, TX2, so they do light up with the LED indicators there. And this is the receiver for your camera, so you connect this to your mirrorless or DSLR cameras with the TRS cable. You've got the indicator lights for the transmitters. You also have 3 LED indicator lights that will light up there to give you the volume gain, so you can actually slide the wheel as well. You have yourself the power button and the USB-C port just there. Then the TRS port just on the right hand side. Now, this is a very lightweight design for the transmitters. It has this pearl-like design, and in fact this only weighs just 7 grams. The microphone itself is this tiny little attachment at the back, not the front here, which generally you would expect when you first see this. But this has an innovative titanium alloy clip. It's not magnetic, so this has a strong clip, so you have to place it on top of your top, or if you have a buttoned shirt, then it will place it very easily, kind of like how you do with the lavalier microphone, so you can be sure and confident that it's going to be secure. In terms of the key specs on this does have high fidelity audio. It's 24-bit depth, which gives you crystal clear sound, which makes it seem like it's more true to life vocals, and we will be testing that out. But on top of that, this has probably one of the best powerful noise cancellations I've seen in any wireless microphones of this size. The environmental noise cancellation, the ENC, is so clear that I've tested this out in multiple different environments outside, and you're going to be really surprised at how well this works. If you are going to be filming outdoors a lot, then you can also note that this does operate up to 300 meters in a straight line of sight. That is probably the longest range I've seen for a microphone of this size. Not sure if you're ever going to be doing filming at that range, but that is also an option. So now that we've seen this out of the box all-in-one solution for the ultimate combo pack for a true wireless system, let's go ahead and test out the audio. Now I'm going to put this onto my shirt. So if you have a button shirt or maybe a V-neck, it's very easy just to slot it in like so. Make sure the smaller side with the microphone is facing outwards, and you can just see how tiny that looks. And imagine if you're wearing a black top that matches the color of the microphone. No one's going to know that you have a microphone attached to you, which I think is actually quite important as well. When you are filming in busy environments and there's a lot of people around you, you don't want to make it seem too obvious you're doing some type of filming, otherwise people will start getting involved. But nonetheless, I can barely feel that this is attached because it is so lightweight. So what I'm going to do is I've connected the receiver to my camera, and there's 3 levels of volume gain that you can actually use the control wheel for, and I'm going to leave it at level 2 rather than going to the maximum level 3, which I think is more convenient when you are filming outdoors, and we will be testing this outdoors as well. So I'll leave it at level 2 gain so you can see at the medium level, especially when you're in a quiet indoor space like I am, how great this sounds. So let's go ahead and stop using my shotgun microphone that's just to the side here and switch over now to the Hollyland Lark M2S. So now this is the audio coming directly from this microphone, and you can see how crystal clear that is. I'm amazed at the quality in this. I've tested this for a couple of days now, and I'm impressed no matter what environment I'm in. The audio comes out so good that I won't even need to even consider touching it in post-editing. Now, of course, like I mentioned, it's expected that the audio is going to be great, especially in a quiet room like this, regardless of which microphone I do use. But I really want to push it to the limits and go to as many different places outdoors where I can see and showcase to you watching this video how great this sounds, no matter how loud it is behind you. So let's go ahead and head outdoors, and actually what I'll do is I'll switch over to the USB-C version outdoors, connect it with my iPhone 16 Pro, and just show you that variety and hopefully you enjoy the audio clips. Okay, so now we're outdoors. I'm in this really nice, beautiful park, and we're going to be testing out that 24-bit depth high fidelity audio with that inbuilt powerful noise cancellation on the Hollyland Lark M2S. So what I'm going to do is explore the city a little bit and go into various different ambient environments where there's a lot of loud noises as well, just to showcase how clear the audio still comes out no matter the situation or the environment that you're standing in. And I've always been a huge fan of Hollyland microphones in the past, and for me, you know, this is such a lightweight microphone. You can barely even see that it's connected to my hoodie. And let's go ahead and test out how great the audio is, especially with the noise cancellation in various different places around the city, and see what you guys think. All right, so now we're in a very busy high street, and you can see there's a very busy road behind me, a lot of cars, and as you can clearly see, there's a lot of people walking past, and hopefully you guys can still hear everything clearly in the Hollyland Lark M2S. Now, of course, there's a lot of people getting in my way, and I wanted to showcase, if you are going to be in a very loud and noisy environment like this, and you're going to be recording outdoors, then this is a really viable and perfect microphone that's very conspicuous because of its size, and it just does a great job. So I wanted to highlight a couple of different locations of using this and how great the audio comes out depending on the different scenarios. Okay, so now I'm standing in front of a water fountain, and me standing right here in person, I can hear this very loud, but I'm pretty confident it's drowning out a lot of the noise coming from behind me, and it's picking up a lot of my dialogue. And in fact, there's a guy playing a saxophone just on the other side of the fountain, so there's some loud music coming from that direction, but I'm also confident that you're not going to be hearing maybe hardly any of that either. So let's go ahead and continue testing out the microphone in other places. Okay, so now I'm on a very high observatory deck, and the views are amazing here, and the music is playing in the background, and of course you should be able to hear me very clearly. It is a little bit more windier out here, but just take a look at the breathtaking views of the city. That looks amazing. Alright, so hopefully you heard how great this microphone sounds with all of those tests with the powerful noise cancellation. So if you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. But let's go ahead, head backside into the studio, and we will wrap up the video with my final thoughts. So that's everything, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the review and how the audio sounds on the Hollyland Lark M2S. That's the combo edition. Check out the links down in the description below for all the different variations depending on your price ranges. Make sure to see all of the latest pricing information in case they have some discounts and offers running. And as always, if you do have any questions about this, make sure to drop them down in the comment below. Otherwise, I hope you subscribe, I hope you like this video, and I will see you all at the next one. Take care.